PayRange mobile app review 2026 pros and cons, honest and unbiased. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into PayRange, the mobile payment app that's become ubiquitous in laundry rooms, vending machines, and more. By 2026, PayRange has solidified its position, so let's assess what it offers, who benefits most, and whether it's still a viable solution. PayRange is fundamentally designed for consumers needing a cashless payment option for unattended retail locations. Think washing machines, snack and soda vending, air pumps, and even some arcade games. The core feature is its Bluetooth-based payment system. You load funds onto the app via credit card, debit card, or services like Apple Pay and Google Pay, then connect to a PayRange-enabled machine via Bluetooth to initiate a purchase. The app also offers promotions and loyalty programs at participating locations, adding a potential value proposition beyond simple payment convenience. Now, let's break down the pros. First, the sheer convenience of cashless payment is a major win. No more scrambling for quarters when you need to do laundry. Second, the app's wide acceptance is a huge advantage. The more machines support PayRange, the more useful it becomes. Third, security features are relatively robust, leveraging tokenization and encryption to protect payment information. Finally, the promotional offers and loyalty programs, while not always available everywhere, can provide genuine savings. However, there are cons to consider. The app's reliance on Bluetooth can be problematic. Connection issues are still reported, leading to frustrating situations where you can't initiate a payment. Also, while PayRange boasts widespread acceptance, it's not universal. You'll still encounter plenty of machines that only accept cash or older payment systems. Data privacy is another potential concern. Any app that handles financial information requires careful consideration of its data collection and usage policies. The fees associated with loading money onto the app are minimal, but they do exist and could irritate users who prefer absolutely zero-cost transactions. Ultimately, PayRange in 2026 is a mixed bag. It offers a convenient and often secure payment solution for unattended retail. Its biggest strength is widespread acceptance, but the Bluetooth connectivity issues and the lack of universal adoption remain its significant weaknesses. For frequent users of PayRange-enabled machines, the app is almost essential. If you only occasionally use these services, the benefits are less pronounced, and you may find yourself relying on cash anyway. So is PayRange worth it? If you frequently encounter PayRange-enabled machines, absolutely. If not, it might be worth downloading and setting up an account, but don't be surprised if you still need to carry some cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.